Hello and welcome on this new midweek analysis video from Xtreme Trader. This is Salah speaking. Before we start, please don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel, and kindly leave a comment and share the video. So of course, my friends, this video is just a follow-up of the signals which I have sent here last Saturday on the weekly analysis video. So for a starter, let's now begin with the EURUSD. So as you can see, this signal has indeed went in the right direction as we have predicted. Of course, it hasn't been activated. The market never reached our entry point, but however, the market still went to our take profit level. So therefore, this signal is finished. Now, what's next with the EURUSD? In my opinion, the EURUSD is still going to continue the rise. Let me just show you here something. Based on the 4-hour time frame, we have here a resistance trend line, as you can see right here. And right now, let me just show you something. We have here, of course, the real level of a resistance trend line number 1, number 2, and then 3, 4, 5. Then finally here we had the bullish breakout from this level of a resistance trend line. Let me now zoom in to show you this. Right now we can notice that this candle, this tail, has actually already retested the same level and already became here a new supported trend line. And that means that the EURUSD has a chance to continue the fall till it reaches a certain level, and then most likely it will continue the fall. As long as the pair is actually above this level of a resistance trend line, we will continue buying the pair. Let me just now go to the daily chart and show you something. Now here on daily chart we have something this is really interesting price action which I really like, which is of course my favorite real level of a support and a fake breakout. So right here we can see clearly that we had actually a real level of a support at 1.032, and there we can expect right now from the EURUSD to continue the fall till it retest the same level, and afterward it will continue the rise. But the market actually has a chance to reverse before that. Again, let's go to the 4-hour time frame. So on the 4-hour time frame, we identify that here we have, of course, a real level of a support that most likely is going to be retested, and it already has been retested indeed. So that means that the EURUSD has a chance to reverse before this level, where, in my opinion, the best level to rebuy the EURUSD will be right here exactly at the same level of a real support right here at 1.037, which was the nearest level of a real resistance to this bullish breakout candle. So therefore, waiting for the EURUSD to fall to another, let me just check it out. Let's say around 21 pips before we can start buying it. Now, if we do, and let me just show you something. Actually, our take profit level has actually got to be right here exactly at the nearest level of a key resistance to our entry. Now, someone might tell me, but why is this the nearest level of a resistance, or actually a real level of a resistance? You have here multiple levels of a real resistance. This is the first one at 1.053. Second one is right here at 1.060. The third one lies actually right here at 1.079. So these are actually a real levels of a resistance, and actually I am thinking to make a video talking about these things, the real level and the fake breakouts. We need to talk about that. Actually, I did actually videos about this before in the past, but I think we can make a new one for the sake of the new followers. However, our safe zone, if we decide to place right here our buy order, will be just until 1.033, which means our safe zone will be ranging for just around 41 pips, or 40 pips exactly, targeting around 158 pips. That's going to be a lot. Let me just reduce my expectations to be right here at the nearest level of a key support instead of a resistance. So therefore, our target will be around 106 pips of profit against 40 pips of a safe zone. And that's going to be everything for the EURUSD. Let's now move to the GBPUSD. Alright, so GBPUSD has also went in the right direction. However, it hasn't also been activated and just hit our take profit level, and right now it's actually above the support at 1.025. Now, what's next with this pair? Let me just first of all delete the old signal, and again, let's move to the daily chart. We are actually seeing something very similar to the EURUSD. A real level of a support again has been appeared right here, and a fake breakout from this level. So most likely the market will fall back to retest the same level of a real support. So I would like to make this video shorter for you. We have already explained everything about this in the EURUSD. Again, same thing also we can see right here with the broken level of a resistance trend line. As you can see here, we have a resistance trend line that indeed has been broken out from. So therefore, the GBPUSD has a chance to continue the fall. And as you can see right now, we have here another tail as you can see right here, which means the same level of a broken resistance trend line has already been retested, as you can see. So therefore, most likely the market will continue the fall till it reaches the support exactly right here, to be precise, at 1.251, which means we have to wait for the market to fall to another 24 pips, and that in my opinion gonna be the best level where we can rebuy the pound USD again. The safe zone shouldn't actually be ranging much lower than the bottom of the support at 1.247, which means the safe zone will be ranging also for around 40 pips, and the take profit level we can place it right here at the nearest level of a key resistance as well at 1.2614, which means the safe zone will be ranging for another 102 pips against 40 pips of a safe zone. And that's gonna be everything for the pound USD. Let's now jump to the AUDUSD. So AUDUSD hasn't been activated, I believe, in maybe the pair has reversed, just like, oh come on guys, just 3 pips. This trade has been activated. I will say it has been activated because I sent the signal to buy from 0.620. Check this out. The reversal happened exactly at 0.62048. That's the reason I'm actually writing here 3 digits only. I'm not writing the very exact sharp entry. I'm giving a space for the candles. Therefore, we will say that the AUDUSD has indeed been activated, reaching 0.620, as you can see right here. Therefore, this signal so far is running in around 70 pips of profit. Again, I hope you guys have taken it and enjoying these pips of profits. Now, what's next with this pair? Actually, very similar to the previous 2 pairs. Moving now to the daily chart, now we can see here a very strong bullish momentum. Even on the weekly chart, we can see that right here exactly the pair is reversing at the same level of a key support as 0.620, and the current price action here is so promising for the bullish continuation in the reversal. Therefore, back now to the 4-hour time frame, I would like to simply rebuy the AUDUSD exactly right here at the real level of a support exactly right here. Why right here? Because as we can see right here, we had of course a key level of a resistance that indeed has been broken out from. Also here we had a small support which already has been respected. So therefore here we have already support number 1. And now if the market will continue the fall, we can rebuy exactly at the same level of this support right here as 0.624. Which means we can just now move the entry to be right here exactly. And change the safe zone to be exactly right here also at the previous entry as 0.620, just like this. This is really nice. And the entry will be at 0.624 this time. Of course, keeping the same take profit level, we will aim around 88 pips of profit against 40 pips of a safe zone. That's gonna be everything for the AUDUSD. Let's now jump to the USDCAD. USDCAD was another good signal, but again hasn't been activated, but at least has went in the right direction, as we can see. So therefore, the market has already opened here and reversed just like 8 pips before reaching our entry. No, it didn't reach 1.446. So therefore, this signal has instantly went to the take profit level. So overall, it was a good signal, but sadly hasn't been triggered. Now, what's next with this pair? In my opinion, it's really obvious that the USDCAD is still retesting the broken level of a real support at the bracket of 1.434, and most likely it will continue the rise again to retest the same level. Now here we can see clearly that we had also here a resistance number 1, because here we had the broken level of a real support. So therefore the same level has already become here a resistance number 1. So therefore we can wait to sell the market exactly right on the second attempt of the resistance. As simple as that. Therefore the entry should be right here exactly at 1.433 after the market rises to another 21 pips, and if we do, we can actually continue the sell till the market reach the nearest level of a key support at 1.422, expecting around 109 pips of profit, and the safe zone that in this case shouldn't actually be ranging higher than the previous level of a resistance right here at 1.437, ranging for around let's say around 40 pips as well. And that's gonna be everything for the USDCAD. Let's now jump to the USDJPY. Alright, so USDJPY was really a good signal, was running well in profit of around 132 pips of profit before unfortunately falls back again and exceeds, or actually exits, our safe zone, which was really a bummer. Unfortunately, this signal has failed. So now what's next with the USDJPY? Actually, I still want to sell the market, to be honest with you, my friends, because right here, based on the daily chart, let me just now delete the old one so it won't confuse us. Actually, as what we can see right now is here, of course, we had a real level of a resistance at 157.990. That was, of course, here the real level of a resistance. And right now, over the last week, the USDCHF has failed to make any bullish breakout from that level. So most likely, it's going to be respected. I will be honest with everyone. I'm not really having a good luck analyzing the Japanese yen. So therefore, actually, so many of my signals on the Japanese yen is failing, especially, of course, the last two signals on the pound JPY. Unfortunately, they have failed. So therefore, I'm just being honest with you guys. I'm not 100% sure about the signal. I'm just hoping for the best. I believe that the pair will continue the fall, especially knowing that here, of course, we had a real level of a resistance trend line that's still being respected. So therefore, I believe that the market will continue the fall. Also, right here, let me just now go to the weekly chart to show you. Here is, of course, the weekly chart. Right now, we had here, of course, the real level of a resistance has been followed up later with a fake breakout. That fake breakout here is very important. It tells us that the market didn't have enough liquidity to continue the rise again above this level of a resistance, and instead it just continued the fall. Then, over the last month, actually, not even week, over the last month, the USDCHF kept making attempt to break out from that level. So for almost 4 weeks, the market is still unable to make any bullish breakout from that level. And the current price action right here, the inverted hammer, it's actually a good sign that the market right now is getting ready for the bearish reversal. I am a strong believer in this candle, and therefore I would recommend to sell the USDJPY as soon as possible. Right here exactly at the peak of the real level of a resistance right here at 157.980 after the market rise to another 25 pips. If it does, we can actually aim the lowest level of a real support at 156.113, making around 185 pips of profit, and a safe zone in this case that shouldn't be ranging much higher. Sorry, let me go back to the daily chart. Then the real level of resistance right here exactly, right here, if you guys can see the mouse cursor, right here exactly at 158.650, which means our safe zone will be ranging for around 68 pips against 183 pips of profit. And that's gonna be everything for the USDJPY. Let's now finally move to the USDCHF, which was a winner. It was really a very good signal. It has indeed been activated, as you can see right here, and went exactly to the take profit level sharply, making around 72 pips. If you guys have taken this signal, please share with us in the comments. However, what's next with the USDCHF? I believe we will keep the same signal exactly, for multiple reasons. Daily chart here shows me that the market right now has indeed here created a fake breakout from this level, and as you can see, we have here the real level of a resistance. So most likely right now the USDCHF will reverse again upon the pressure of this level of a resistance. Not only that, but if we go right now to the 4-hour time frame, we have here also a broken level of a real support trend line. Check this out. This is interesting. Right here exactly. To be precise, it's just like this. Fantastic. So therefore here we had, of course, a real level of a supported trend line, a fake breakout, then real level of supported trend line. With this fake breakout, sorry, with this bearish breakout candle, the market actually has a chance to continue the rise to retest the same level of a broken support trend line and create hopefully a resistance trend line. And therefore the same entry should be valid. And of course, not to mention the gold, which was amazing signal, and I'm so proud about it. I really hope all my signals on the gold will be the same like this. Look at that, the gold has reversed exactly from our entry at 2617, and right now running in around 300, and I would say 350 pips of profit. Again, congratulations for those who have taken this signal. And if you guys wondering about the next gold video, it's going to be uploaded as soon as the signal hit the take profit level or get near to it, not now. So until then, my friends, of course, don't forget to join our free channel of Telegram to receive any updates about this signal that you are receiving right here. Any updates will be posted right here on our free channel on Telegram. This is the channel here, Xtreme Trader Signals, and you can also find the link in the description below of this video. Please be aware of the so many scammers who uses our name and logo to fool their victims, making them to think that they are actually extreme trader. They will ask you to send them funds to trade. They will ask you to send them money. We never do that at all. We only sell Forex signals in the VIP channel, and that's it. We never ask you for any account management. We never ask you to send us your funds and we will trade it for you. Never. We never do that. So again, my friends, in the end, I hope that was informative to you, and I would like to thank you for watching.